Are you tired of being offline and not being able to watch your favorite videos? Imagine having a playlist of your favorite songs, tutorials, or funny clips ready to go, no matter where you are. Today I'm going to show you how to download an entire YouTube playlist in just a few taps. First, open the YouTube app and find the videos you want to save. Let's say you're building a playlist of football videos. Once you find a video you like, tap the save button right below the video player. A pop-up will appear if you don't already have a playlist. Select new playlist. Save to playlist. Let's create a new playlist. And let's name it NFL. Create. Now just repeat this step for any other videos you want to add. YouTube will automatically save them to your playlist. Now that you've created your playlist, let's download it. Go to your YouTube profile by tapping the U icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And you'll see the NFL playlist right there. You'll see a little download icon right next to the share button. Tap that arrow and your playlist will begin downloading instantly. Keep in mind, this feature is only available with YouTube Premium. So if you don't have it, you might be prompted to sign up. The good news is you can often get a free trial to test it out. Ever wonder how to download any YouTube video? Check out this video to learn how.